Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you guys just a little trick when using command prompt on Windows. So you're going to want to open your command prompt window, and this is to change the color of the text and the background. So this is basically how you do it. It's very simple. Um, you'll type color and then whatever you would want the colors to be. So, for example, if you want the background to be black and the text to be green, you can type 02 and it changes it just like that. Um, Now, if you're not sure what options you have, you can type color and then help, and it actually will give you a bunch of different options. So we're going to try 0, which is black, for the background, and C for light red. So color 0C. And just like that, you'll see it change. It changed, and yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show you. It's just a really simple trick. I guess if you wanted white with black text, you could put 70. Um, but yeah, I mean that kind of looks more gray to me. But that's the options we chose. And then if we want to put it back, we can put it back to 07, which is basically the opposite of the other one. So let me know if you guys find these kinds of videos useful. I probably will do videos on Linux distributions in the near future. So stay tuned for that. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, a comment, and thanks for watching, everybody.